Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to game share on the Xbox Series S. So let's say you have a friend, it doesn't matter which console they have, as long as they have an Xbox, you'll be able to follow this tutorial from start to end. So the first step is I want you to click on the Xbox logo, and you want to navigate over until you see your profile, and you want to click on Add or Switch, and you want to click on Add New here, and you're going to need your friend's Xbox login. You want to log in to your friend's Xbox account on your Xbox Series S. Now once you've done this, you just want to select your friend's Xbox account, just like that, and now you're signed in with their account. So once you've done this, what you want to do is you want to open up Settings, and then General, and then you're going to see right here, Personalization, and you're going to see this, My Home Xbox. Give it a little bit, and select this. Make this My Home Xbox, select this, make this My Home Xbox, and now we are essentially halfway there. The next step is on your friend's Xbox, you want to do the exact same thing in reverse. So on your friend's Xbox, you will need to give them your login to your Xbox account, right? And then they're going to enter your login onto their Xbox account. They're going to sign in with your Xbox account. And then once they've done that, they do the exact same thing. They go to Settings, they go to General, Personalization, My Home Xbox, and then they select Make this My Home Xbox on their Xbox with your account. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go to the Microsoft Store and you'll be able to download all of the games which your friends have downloaded, and your friends will also be able to do the exact same. Now keep in mind that when you do this process, let's say you game share with your friends, every single time you load up a game, there's one requirement, which is that you are connected to the internet. That's it. So, just keep that in mind. If you want to play your digital games offline, you won't be able to do that anymore when you game share. Of course, all you need to do is on your account, set this, make this to My Home Xbox, set that back on, and then once you do that, you'll be able to play your games offline. If you are playing disc games, let's say your friend has the Series X, then they'll be able to play those disc games offline. Keep in mind, you can't share disc games, only digital games, and really, that's all there is to it. Short and sweet. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.